Hey, how are you? My name is Alex and this is my spot. In this two-part video, we take a look at what Linux distro you should install. Before we proceed, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Now, with so many Linux distros available out there, you may be wondering, where do I start? Which distro should I install? Will it have all the features that I need? It is at this point that most people get overwhelmed and run back to Windows and macOS. End of adventure. However, those with determination will proceed to narrow down on what Linux distro to install, and their adventure continues. For those overwhelmed, I'm here to make this phase easier for you. Call me Moses. Now, back to the overwhelming questions. To answer this question, you will need to ask yourself, what do you need in your computer? Is it word processing? There is LibreOffice and only Office. Is it for browsing the web? Firefox comes pre-installed on all Linux distros. There are also other browsers you can install like Chromium, Brave, Vivaldi and Opera. For downloading and updating software, there is a software app on many Linux distros, so you don't have to worry about having to use the Linux terminal if you don't want to. Disk management is not a problem, as gparted can be installed on any Linux distro if it is not pre-installed by default. And if you still need to use some of those Windows apps you are used to, you can run them through Wine. The Wine app may not be easy to install for most of you, and get it running. But who doesn't like a little challenge? So, having looked at these basics for any Linux distro, let's face the main question: which one? And my answer to you: try these four, which include Zorin OS, Garuda, Manjaro and Fedora. Give each of these 4 Linux distros a run for a week or a month and make your choice afterwards. Zorin OS is Ubuntu based, Garuda and Manjaro are Arch based, and Fedora is just Fedora. Other notable mentions include Linux Mint and Ubuntu, which are both Ubuntu based. In the next part of this video, we'll take a deeper look at each of these 4 distros. Thank you for watching this far. See you on the next one.